Hello, welcome, and thank you for tuning in to another video on my channel. I want to give you guys access to a really awesome deal. The all detergent right now is on sale for $2.99. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is available on the Walgreens website. That brings down the detergent to $1.49 each. As you can see, you have different options to choose from. The free and clear, the oxy. There's also oxy stain remover with whiteners and so on. I personally chose the oxy, and I chose the free and clear. But we just received the Super Saver yesterday, so you already have a $1.50 off coupon that is available in the Walgreens app. However, in the Super Save, this top coupon right here, this applies to the all laundry detergent, and wait for it. This coupon applies to the all laundry detergent. This one says on any Snuggle product. This will work for all laundry detergent because all is a Snuggle product. It actually works on Snuggle in-wash scent boosters or fabric softeners, as well as the all laundry detergent. So you will be able to do this deal 3 times using the digital Walgreens coupon with the Super Save coupon, as well as the Snuggle coupon. The Snuggle coupon does work for all laundry detergent. Just in case if you ever had this leftover, didn't need any Snuggle products, needed actual laundry detergent. I've used it multiple times. I never had a manager have to come to the register and do any sort of overrides. It just worked. Now you can also go to Ask Team Clean and print out more coupons for this deal. And you can actually, Walgreens is still one of the few stores that takes paper coupons that are printed from your home printer. A lot of the stores, because of all the coupon fraud that's been going on, only take insert coupons that come directly from these Super Saves and Retail Me Not and all those. I know CVS has stop taking paper coupons. I don't know if it's a thing that is happening just at my CVS or in my region. If you guys want to let me know in the comment section if you have had problems using coupons that you have printed yourself, and if at what stores you are experiencing these issues. Well, I just wanted to share a quick little deal with you all on the all detergent, no pun intended, and I hope that you enjoyed this deal. Each bottle will run you $1.49 with the digital, and the 2 in the inserts, you could do the deal up to 3 times. You can also go to Ask Team Clean and print additional coupons and do the deal at least another 1 or 2 more times. I don't know exactly what their limit is on this coupon, but this is a very awesome deal. $1.49 for a 36-ounce bottle of laundry detergent. That gives you about 24 loads. So please run, because the shelves were pretty clear when I went. And it looks like a lot of people are jumping on this detergent, whether they need it or not. Hope you enjoyed the deal. Please show some support by comment, or subscribe to help support our channel. We'll be able to make more better quality content, and we definitely want to be monetized at some point, so we'd appreciate a subscribe if you can, or if you're interested in any of the content that you have seen from our prior videos and are interested in continuing to see more content from us. As always, thanks, stay safe, and God bless.